Okay. Good morning, everybody. Today it's a very first of all, happy Women's Day to all of y'all. And it's a very interesting discussion that we are going to hop into today. We have got a house that is divided. We have got one side of people who kind of swear that who swear with the logic that is mentioned in secret, who think that what they dream will be achievable. And then there is these are, I would say, the people, these are the manifestors. Then there are the people who believe that yes, who believe in the teachings of ancient Bhagavad Gita, that yes, what we want, we can strive towards achieving, but there is something called as karma, and karma will help you achieve only what is meant for you and not what you want. So yes, because the discussion is, we have two sides and both strong believers in their sides. So let's have certain rules right in the beginning. Let's ensure that we are respectful to all. Let's ensure that yes, something has failed for you, say it. If you feel something impossible happened when you changed your mindset, do share. And let's see how the discussion proceeds. Okay, so the stage is all yours. Who do we start with? Shraddha.
I will begin.
Yes,
I'll begin.
All yours.
See, my name is C.A. Shraddha Agrawal, and I have been using and applying the secret since 2008. This was the time when I got to know the secret, and from the day itself, subject to only one thing. The secret, I'll tell you, it's not applicable only in one case, that is the death of somebody. I suddenly lost my father due to a cardiac arrest, and that was the time when I was like, secret कुछ नहीं होता है. Secret से आप किसी को वापस नहीं ला सकते. But then when I watched documentary film again, it said रोंडा ब्रायन के साथ भी यही हुआ था. उनके पापा भी उसी समय पे गुजर गए थे. उस समय she was like kind of broken, and then she got the secret. Then I started using, and out of that, like I sort of it in a very positive way. मैंने ऐसा सोचा कि मैं मेरे पापा को कुछ श्रद्धांजलि दूं, इसलिए मैंने खुद ने एक किताब लिखी है. The name of the book is Average to Outstanding: Achieving Success and Serenity. तो it was like कि पापा ने मेरे लिए बहुत कुछ किया है. मैं rather than grieving over the loss, because अब जो हो गया वो वापस नहीं हो सकता है. पता नहीं इसमें कुछ अच्छा है, अच्छा तो रहता ही नहीं है, because losing a dear one and that too suddenly, एक रात तो रात shatter हो जाना. But then I got back, and believe me, till date जो मैं चाहती हूँ, टच वुड, वो मुझे मिलता है. जो मैं चाहती हूँ वो मुझे मिलता ही है. रादर देन एक सादा सा कॉफी कप क्यों ना हो, उससे जो कुछ भी, लाइक यू डोंट नो फ्रॉम समवेयर और द अदर समवन केप्ट आ ही जाता है आपके पास. और मैं कर्मा की नॉन बिलीवर नहीं हूँ. आई बिलीव इन कर्मा, और ना ही सीक्रेट ये बोलता है कि जो आप जिस पे आप मेहनत करते हो वो आपको नहीं मिलेगा. सीक्रेट यही बोलता है कि आप अच्छा सोचो. सीक्रेट का मेन लॉजिक है यू फील गुड एंड देन स्ट्राइव फॉर व्हाट यू वांट. अल्टीमेटली अगर मुझे सीए बनना था, मुझे 2 अटेम्प्ट लगे थे, मुझे उस समय पे सीक्रेट मिला था. आई वॉज लाइक कि मैं कभी सीए बन ही नहीं पाऊंगी. मुझे आई स्टार्टेड इमेजिनिंग. मैंने घर वाले थे कि अब आपका कॉमर्स हो गया है, अब हम आपकी शादी के लिए तैयारी करते हैं. तो आई स्टार्टेड विजुअलाइजिंग. मेरे शादी की पत्रिका मैंने विजुअलाइज की, चिरंजीवी 100 कांक्षी सीए श्रद्धा. उसके बिना शादी ही नहीं होनी चाहिए मेरी. हर जगह पे सीए श्रद्धा लोहिया का बोर्ड लगा के रखा था. एंड बिलीव मी, आई वॉज द हाइएस्ट. मेरा कुछ भी नहीं निकला था, मुझे एक एग्जाम्शन मिला था. एंड यस, मेहनत बहुत की है, कड़ी मेहनत की है उसको हासिल करने के लिए. लेकिन जो अपन नर्वस हो जाते हैं, जो डिप्रेस हो जाते हैं कि क्या ये मेरे लिए नहीं है, क्या मैंने इसको छोड़ देना चाहिए, उस समय पे आपको सीक्रेट यूज करना है. एक छोटे से मैं बताया, अब सभी को बोलने का मौका मिलना चाहिए. बस अभी आप, ओवर टू मैडम.
Yes. Who would like to take it? I will be the last person today. Meenakshi, Kishorji, Lian, please. Today, Bharatji, wow, you have also joined. Yes, Pawan, CA Pawan, Nidhi, please. Today is a discussion that is, I think, dear to our heart. Okay, if you're, Meenakshi, are you speaking?
Yeah, ma'am, I can.
Yes.
Basically, it was 2010 going on,
Hmm.
2011. I mean, when I lost my mother,
Hmm.
that was a time when even I got confused what to do now. Like, there's no one to take care of me. I mean, we were not very close to our father, we sisters. So we were like reading Bhagavad Gita. I started with that only.
Hmm.
And what, uh, I mean, I cannot say that I have understood each and every shloka or even the translation of Bhagavad Gita, but I can say that this book is for everyone. Maybe people say that I don't want to grow spiritually. People are into dreams and they just keep achieving it, and then they are satisfied with their physical life and their materialistic gains. But this book talks about your individual self, whether you are a man or a woman, a girl, an old man, or people from any caste, any creed, any gender, anything. Even it is for the homosexuals as well. Because this book, uh, the primary objective of this book is that you have to consider yourself as a soul. And when you think that way, and like this is not only about thinking, one cannot think in that direction, but it's more of the journey within. Like, have you, as a physics student, we have heard about an instrument called kaleidoscope. Kaleidoscope, like there used to be a mirror. This instrument was a zigzag kind of thing, and there was a mirror attached in the middle of that kaleidoscope. Like we can imagine L, and then L is prolonged towards left. So it's this kind of a thing. This kind of a thing. And there were two mirrors, one at both the ends. And through that kaleidoscope, one can view from this side and can see what is there on the other side. Like one who has read Bhagavad Gita can see himself inside out. Like we all have eyes, but what the world sees is only the outside world. But when the person connects inside and can see the inside world, it's all about inward understanding. We all are same from inside. If you are able to see yourself from inside, you become the mind reader. And you, by meeting the person or by talking to a person in some way, you will realize what the other person is thinking. So it's the concept is totally very deep, and you grow many folds. And so far as secret is concerned, it's about manifestation. And the first and the foremost thing is make your dreams come true. You have to have a dream. When you have a dream, you achieve it, and it has 28 chapters. One by one, you follow. There's magic book and various. I mean, I did it last year, 6 months ago. But what I felt is like I don't think any dream is left. Like ऐसा मेरे साथ होता है, सबके साथ नहीं होता होगा, क्योंकि जो भी चाहिए वो मिल जाता है और ज्यादा कुछ चाहिए ही नहीं. And Bhagavad Gita talks about being actionless in action, and it also talks about what you get fine, but you should not be having many desires. Desires बचती नहीं है वहां पर. तो कॉन्सेप्ट दोनों का बिल्कुल अलग है, कोई कंपैरिजन है ही नहीं. And Rhonda Byrne is like the writer herself is has lived a very struggle kind of a life, and she manifested many things when she was all alone. तो उनका कॉन्सेप्ट अलग है और इस लोगों को हेल्प कर रहा है. And in today's world, when people are struggling and then don't have time to read the tough lines which the scriptures are saying, तो हाँ, वो जरूर काम कर रहा होगा लोगों के लिए, बट उसके लिए उनका ड्रीम का होना जरूरी है, और उनकी खुद का सोच, और उनको उस कॉन्सेप्ट पे जाके रोज रोज रहना है, ग्रैटिट्यूड में रहना। एंड सो फार एज भगवत गीता इज कंसर्न, उसका तो सीधा सीधा कॉन्सेप्ट है, एवरीथिंग इज शरणागति। when you are into शरणागति, when you are into like whatever is happening, it's all God's will. when you are thinking that way, you are living in gratitude. तो आपको एक एक चीज के लिए अलग अलग थैंक यू नहीं बोलना है. when you are thankful to the creator, you are thankful to the creation as well.
You know,
That's all from my side.
बहुत मतलब what you said, I totally agree. But for me, when I know of a person, okay, a very close person I've seen this person who's very good, जिसने सिर्फ लोगों का भला किया है, who's extremely positive. He has seen so many, मतलब इतनी चीजें उन्होंने फोकस किया है, and this person has always worked to the best of his ability, but yet in many times, many instances, जब खुद के बारे में जब वो काम करते हैं, somewhere he has not achieved that level of success. He is in fact the person who had also introduced me to secret. And when I see in that context, I realize, and ये मेरे खुद के साथ भी हुआ है कि I have been a person who's extremely positive. मैं हमेशा से सोचती थी कि मैं अगर कुछ चाहूंगी तो ऐसी कोई चीज नहीं कि जो मैं अचीव नहीं कर सकती. 2020 कोविड, टू इंसिडेंट्स मेड मी रियलाइज कि नहीं, हम जो सोचते हैं, yes, we can work to the best of our ability, but there is a limitation. I had a parrot who was with me for 23 years. And then my dad, okay, I used to, because that parrot was extremely connected to me, extremely. And I used to always think कि अगर उसको कुछ होता है तो I'll be the first person who knows it. And so we lost her. And then my dad, that was the first cycle of COVID. It was when people were not able to get plasma. तभी plasma का बहुत craze था. I managed to get 4 plasma. I put a message in every damn group, CA group, every damn group, from north to south to east to west, and I managed to get 4 plasma. मैंने हर मुमकिन कोशिश की, practically, medically, पूजा की, सब कुछ किया, but I didn't have the wildest dream कि मेरे पापा मतलब एक बार घर से निकलेंगे, वो वापस आएंगे नहीं. ऐसे एक बार भी नेगेटिव थॉट नहीं आया. I was 100% sure कि my dad will come back. बहुत कोशिश की, and I lost him. So that's when I realized कि it is not we who, it's not just about manifesting. Yes, we manifest, we do to the best of our ability, but हमको वही मिलता है जो हमें मिलना है. That is where I seriously, there's a disconnect between me and भगवत गीता वही बोलता है, आप करो, अपने हिसाब से करो, आप पूरी तरह से मेहनत करो. भगवत गीता goes beyond that one life. भगवत गीता says कि you go towards what you want. If you don't, because आपका जब तक आपका पास्ट का जो भी है हिसाब वो क्लियर नहीं होता है, तब तक आपका फ्यूचर का हिसाब नहीं होगा. So you will get when you are ready to get it, not when you want to get it. That's what I have seen. इसलिए हमने when we look at all the stories, if we look at Yashoda Maiya and if we look at Devki, so they are the best example. Devki was none other than Kaikeyi. Kaikeyi ने she ensured that मतलब Kaikeyi की वजह से Kaushalya had to stay away from Ram for 14 years. So what happened in the next life? Both Yashoda and Devki were none other than Kaushalya and Kaikeyi. So Bhagavad Gita goes beyond that one life. Bhagavad Gita says, ठीक है, you manifest, but finally there is somebody else who decides what you should get. And that's my firm belief. So rest. Let's see
Yeah.
what everyone else has to say. Kishore sir, Lian, come on. Yes, Shraddha, you have raised your hand.
That was only where I was connected with the Bhagavad Gita. Once I lost my father. हमारे इसमें गरुड़ पुराण पढ़ते थे, बट हम लोगों ने गीता जी पढ़ी थी. मैंने वही बोला एक स्टार्टिंग में, यहीं पे मेरा भी हुआ था. बट यस, फॉर लिविंग अ लाइफ यू हैव टू अप्लाई द प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ द सीक्रेट. बट किसी की जिंदगी और मौत वो हमारे हाथ में नहीं है. वही भगवत गीता वहीं से शुरू होती है. कृष्ण भगवान ने अर्जुन को भी उस समय वही बोला था कि इस अगर मैं ये युद्ध करता हूँ महाभारत का, तो इसमें बहुत सारे जीव जाने वाले हैं. तो इट वॉज अल्टीमेटली द कर्मा.
तो
वहां पे अपन नहीं, वहां पे देखिए
श्रद्धा,
जब जीना
वही तो
है.
डिस्कनेक्ट तो यही था कि व्हाट यू आर सेइंग इज यहाँ से सीक्रेट चालू होता है और यहाँ पे खत्म होता है, एंड दिस इज वेयर भगवत गीता स्टार्ट्स. व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से इज सीक्रेट हैज टेकन फ्रॉम भगवत गीता. भगवत
यस
गीता
यस
बोलता है.
श्योरली यस.
दैट्स व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग
एक चैप्टर है.
यस
एक
यस यस
एक
Not,
जीने
not
की
even,
कला जो
not
हम बोलेंगे, जो
Shraddha
जीने
ji,
का
Shraddha ji,
फंडा है.
Shraddha ji, sorry to interrupt you. Not even a chapter. It's a small part of Gita which
Yes.
is taken in magic. हमारी problem क्या है? No offense. I respect secret as much as तो नहीं बोलूंगा. I respect Gita a lot more than any other book for sure.
यस यस.
लेकिन हमारी प्रॉब्लम क्या है? हमारी मतलब मैं बोलूं हम इंडियंस की. हमारी प्रॉब्लम ये है जो वेस्ट से आता है दैट इज वेरी गुड. जो ईस्ट का है वो सब खराब है. हमको योग अब कभी भी अच्छा नहीं लगा. आपको कोई बोलता है सवेरे उठ के योग करना, नहीं करूंगा. आपको सवेरे फोन आता है वी आर गोइंग फॉर अ योगा क्लास, वुड यू बी एबल टू, वुड यू बी इंटरेस्टेड इन, वी इमीडिएटली जंप
Zumba.
योगा. और आजकल तो नई नई चीजें और जोड़ दी गई. हम अपना योग भूल गए हैं. नए नए उनके योग हमको बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं.
Aerobics.
So that is that जो
Zumba.
संध्या जी बोलना चाहती है और जो मैं
This
बोलना
is
चाहता
what I also meant to say. I
everything
agree
is
to you,
coming from our scriptures only. आप
Kishore
देखिए,
ji.
the only comparison is we are 5,000 years old civilization. None of the other civilization is as old as we are. तो जो उस टाइम कृष्ण भगवान ने अर्जुन को बताया था, गीता इज द स्मॉल पार्ट ऑफ द टोटल महाभारत. टोटल महाभारत इज अ few thousand श्लोकास एंड वी आर ओनली टारगेटिंग 700 श्लोकास. 700 में भी जैसे आपने बोला गरुड़ पुराण, उसी जगह गीता पढ़ी तो बोलते 15वां अध्याय जब आपकी मृत्यु होती है या मृत्यु होने वाली होती है, आप 15वां अध्याय पढ़िए. दिस इज द बेस्ट वो 18 जो वो है चैप्टर है गीता का, उसको 15वां अध्याय पढ़ना चाहिए. तो इसी तरह से हम जो बोल रहे हैं, हम कभी भी, आई एम नॉट अगेंस्ट सीक्रेट मैजिक और सीक्रेट वॉट एवर, आई एम ऑलवेज प्रो फॉर दैट. पर ये जो आई है यहां से आई है चीज. ओरिजिन इज आर स्क्रिप्चर्स ओनली, दैट इज व्हाट वी आर ट्राइंग टू से. और दूसरा आपने जो बोला ना, सीए श्रद्धा आपने लिखा, ये संकल्प की बात है. आपका जो हमारे हिंदी में बोलते हैं, हमारे स्क्रिप्चर्स बोलते हैं, आप अपना संकल्प अच्छा रखेंगे तो होंगे. मैं जब सीए बना मेरे परिवार में कोई सीए नहीं था, बट आई मेड इट अ पॉइंट, आई विल नॉट लीव एनी स्टोन अनटर्न्ड, आई विल बिकम अ चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट कम व्हाट में. और भगवान की दया से मैं फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में सब बार बनता ही गया, तो कभी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं आई. अच्छा, आप जो अभी बताया आपको संध्या जी ने, एक व्यक्ति है जो सबके लिए करता है पर वो खुद अपनी सक्सेस वैसे नहीं. आई विल पुट माई सेल्फ ऑल्सो विद दैट पर्सन ओनली. मेरे पास लोग आते हैं कि मैं आपके पास आता हूं, मेरे को अच्छा लगता है, आप बहुत अच्छी अच्छी वाइब्स देते हो, बहुत अच्छा बताते हो. दे आर मोटिवेटेड, बट वाई एम आई नॉट मोटिवेटेड? Why am I not trying the secret the way I should? Why am not following Gita the way I should? वो वहां पे कर्मा कहीं ना कहीं आके अटकता होगा, इसलिए पॉसिबल है वहां पे आ रहा है. तो बट एट द एंड ऑफ द डे हमारा जो कहना है एवरी. अच्छा, एक और एग्जांपल आपको दूं. आजकल वो एक जापानीज वाला वो चलता है क्वेश्चन रुफू. अगेन
इकिगाई.
विद फुल रेस्पेक्ट टू
Ikigai.
नहीं,
Ikigai.
इकिगाई.
नहीं, नॉट इकिगाई. इकिगाई इज अ डिफरेंट थिंग. व्हाट आई एम टॉकिंग ऑफ,
Tai
एक
Chi. There is one Tai Chi
a
also.
sort of worshipping है, क्वेश्चन रुफू बोलते हैं.
होपोनोमो कुछ होगा. होपोनोमो.
यस, नहीं होपोनोमो भी नहीं.
Ho'oponopono.
एक वो श्लोका यूज करते हैं, मैं बहुत शॉर्ट में बताऊं, नम्य हो रंगे क्यों. वो बोलते हैं हमको इसी से प्राप्ति होती है. अ सॉर्ट ऑफ बुद्धिज्म है, एंड दैट कम्स फ्रॉम जापान. वो लोग बोलते हैं हम चैंटिंग करते हैं नम्य हो रहेंगे क्यों, उससे हमको प्राप्ति होती है. जैसे आप
Money,
मैजिक बोल रहे हैं.
money. Some money kind of a thing, ना
नहीं,
सर?
मैं आपको शेयर करूंगा बाद
ना
में. दैट
money,
इज
money.
वो एग्जैक्ट
सब
श्लोक
लोग
यही है
कर
ना.
रहे हैं सर. सबसे बड़ी
हाँ,
चीज है ना कि everybody is doing something or the
एग्जैक्ट
other
श्लोक
in
यही है,
their
नम्य
way.
हो रहेंगे क्यों, नम्य हो
But
रहेंगे क्यों. एक मिनट मैं आपको
हाँ,
बताऊं. वो क्या
और
बोलते हैं कि हम
ये जो स्टॉल बनी हुई है ना कि आज ये पढ़ रहे हैं, आज वो पढ़ रहे हैं, अलग अलग
यस
स्टॉल्स बनी
यस
हुई है. आज मेरा
यस
ये
यस यस
सिलेबस
यस
कोर्स पूरा हो गया, क्रैश कोर्स है, फिर हमने ये करना लगा. तो एक चीज को अपना बेस बनाना चाहिए.
नहीं, मीनाक्षी
एंड
जी, मैं
इवन
क्या बता,
भगवत गीता,
मीनाक्षी जी मैं
पता
आपको जो
नहीं
बोल रहा
एकदम
हूँ
से
एक
मुझे
मिनट
याद
में
आया, सो
मीनाक्षी
आई
जी,
इंटरप्टेड,
let
सॉरी.
एक मिनट
Kishore
मीनाक्षी जी,
हाँ,
मैं जो बताने वाला
आई
हूँ
वेट.
आपको, ये जो बता, जो जापानीज, अब जो कुछ लोग ऐसा कल्ट बना है कि हमने इस जापानीज श्लोक से सब कुछ पाया है, तो मेरा उनको लिए भी सबमिशन है, विद ड्यू रिस्पेक्ट टू द जापानीज बुद्धिज्म ऑल्सो। आप ओम्बुफुरु को पकड़ लेते, अगर ओम्बुफुरु आपने मन से पढ़ा होता तो शायद आपको उस उतनी तो होती, उससे ज्यादा भी प्राप्ति हो सकती थी। लेकिन क्योंकि आपको इंडिया का ओम्बुफुरु था, भारत का ओम्बुफुरु था, हमारे शास्त्रों का था, अच्छा नहीं लगा कि कौन बैठ के ओम्बुफुरु करेगा, उसी को जापानीज वर्जन में डाला गया। नम्य हो रहेंगे कि नम्य, और वो लगे रहते हैं महीनों, घंटों लगे रहते हैं, वो बोलते हैं हमको उससे प्राप्ति होती। इट्स ओनली योर माइंड विच वर्क्स। आपकी जो ये तीसरा नेत्र है ना, इसी से आपको प्राप्ति होने वाली है। आप अपनी चीजें अपनाएंगे तो भी बहुत अच्छा लगेगा। दिस व्हाट आई माय सबमिशन इज।
Sir, I want to
One
say
more thing I
something.
would like to add.
यस प्लीज।
अभी मुझे कुछ ऐड करना है, मैं कर दूं फट से
अच्छा,
श्रद्धा
पहले
यहाँ पर।
मीनाक्षी,
हाँ,
बिकॉज आपने
आप
बोला।
एक्चुअली ना वो कुछ इनसे रिलेटेड है, लाइक जो अभी सर ने बोला उससे रिलेट करती हूँ मैं। जैसे कि भगवत गीता में एक चीज और कही हुई है कि अपने धर्म में मर जाना भी श्रेष्ठ है, रादर देन फॉलोइंग समबडी एल्सेस धर्म।
अग्री
ऐसी
अग्री,
बात
फुल्ली
कही तो
अग्री,
कही है,
फुल्ली
किसी
अग्री,
अध्याय
फुल्ली।
में तो कही
यस
है। तो
यस।
इसको लेके मेरा एक ओपिनियन है, या कह लीजिए बिलीफ सिस्टम ये है कि जैसे कि सतमार्ग होता है, सन्मार्ग होता है, या पुष्टि मार्ग होता है, या सब तरीके के अलग अलग मार्ग चल रहे हैं। इवन इन इंडिया, इन हिंदूज ऑल्सो पीपल हैव देयर डिफरेंट स्ट्रक्चर, कि उस स्ट्रक्चर को वो फॉलो करते हैं तो उनका है, ठीक है, सबका अलग अलग होता है। तो मेरा ये कहना है कि इतनी सारी चीजें जो बनी हुई हैं, अपनी एक चीज को पकड़ के रखना चाहिए, लाइक हम वो करें। एंड इट गोज विद जाप, लाइक जो जाप हम कर रहे हैं, अलग अलग कर रहे हैं, लेकिन कोई एक जाप, एक गुरु मंत्र होता है, वो आपके लिए एप्लीकेबल होता है, एंड इट्स फॉर ईच एंड एवरी इंडिविजुअल। तो जिसका जो है, आई मीन वहीं से तो फॉर्मनेस आएगी। अगर हमने आज ये किया क्योंकि इससे फायदा हो रहा है, फिर हमने दूसरा करने लगा क्योंकि लोग उससे फायदा उठा रहे हैं। अभी सीक्रेट के साथ एग्जैक्टली यही हो रहा है। देयर आर पीपल हु हैव अचीव्ड मैनिफेस्टेड थिंग्स, और लोग उसको जा जाके फॉलो कर रहे हैं। और जो खुद का उनका सुबह का टाइम होता था, जब सुबह उनको उठ करके ब्रह्म मुहूर्त में ध्यान लगाना चाहिए था, या उन्हें जाप करना चाहिए था, नाम जप करना चाहिए था, वो टाइम पे वो उठ के 100 ग्रेटिट्यूड्स लिख रहे हैं। दे आर नॉट
यस,
रॉन्ग when they are writing gratitudes for their father, for their mother, and for their guru. But वो जो एनर्जी वाला टाइम है, दैट टाइम इज मेंट फॉर नाम जप।
यस,
या
ट्रू
तो
ट्रू
वो
ट्रू।
करने के बाद ग्रैटिट्यूड्स करें, ठीक है, फाइन, कहीं ना कहीं पास्ट के जो हमारे कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स हैं वो रिजॉल्व होंगे ये करने से। बट जो गुरु मंत्र है, वो उसको कोई सब्स्टिट्यूट नहीं है उसका कोई।
द बेस्ट पार्ट इज, सबसे पहले जो लैंग्वेज आई थी, दिस वेरी फ्यू पीपल नो, सबसे पहले जो लैंग्वेज आई थी उसको मंत्रिक लैंग्वेज बोलते हैं। मंत्रिक, हमारे जो मंत्राज है, इनफैक्ट हमारे स्क्रिप्चर्स में हिंदू ये वर्ड भी कभी नहीं था। जो मंत्राज हैं, मंत्राज, दे आर द दे आर सपोज टू बी स्पोकन इन अ पर्टिकुलर वे। दो साउंड ऑफ द मंत्राज, दे इनवाइट द वाइब्रेशंस। सो आपने जो बोला ना मीनाक्षी, कि सुबह का जो ब्रह्म मुहूर्त में यू आर सपोज टू चैंट इट, सो व्हेन यू चैंट दोस थिंग्स, यू आर इनवाइटिंग द पॉजिटिविटी। सो दैट
यस,
इज व्हेन यू शुड नॉट, जब आप सिर्फ वो ग्रेटिट्यूड लिखते हो, या यू से आई वांट टू डू दिस, instead of that, if you chant the mantras, what happens is your mind, your thought process goes in the direction that, okay, what is good for me, and then your mind starts working towards what is good for me rather than working towards what I want, because your inner conscience your inner conscience opens up, and when you are aligned with your inner conscience, automatically आपका जो गोल है वो सही डायरेक्शन में जाता है, and that's why all your energy is
एग्जैक्टली,
aligned in the positive direction, and that's how you end up getting what you want. You don't
एक्चुअली यू
what you
एंड अप
want.
गेटिंग
Yes,
व्हाट
ये
यू
जो,
इज राइट फॉर यू
yes,
रादर।
yes, that's what I was going to say. What you want, ये automatically, because आपका thoughts aligned होता है, so then you start wanting what is good for you rather than you wanting what you want only externally. So that introspection is what is important. वो introspection, a lot of these foreign authors, they do not talk about that introspection at all. वो अंदर से जो है वो connect नहीं है. That is what I feel. That is where it lacks. Yes. श्रद्धा, यू हैड रेज्ड योर हैंड, आपको कुछ बात करनी थी।
ये मैंने भी ये जो आपने कहा है उस समय पे लाइक जो भगवत गीता, ये जो रामचरितमानस में सुंदरकांड है, ठीक है, तो जब मेरा सीक्रेट से तो बाद में कनेक्ट हुआ था, बट आई स्टार्टेड 68 डेज का अखंड सुंदरकांड किया था मन की शांति के लिए। जो अपन बोलते हैं रोज सुबह 6:45 पहले मैं एक माला जो है ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः जो अपना है गायत्री मंत्र, देन फॉलोड बाय 7 AM डेली फॉर 68 डेज, वन प्लेस, वन डायरेक्शन, वन प्रसाद। आई यूज टू रीड द सुंदरकांड, ताकि मेरा मन जो विचलित हो रहा है कि लाइक आई वेंट थ्रू द गीता सार ऑल्सो, लेकिन जो बोलते हैं ना कि ये पढ़ के पॉजिटिव ऑरा अपने पास में एक, वी शुड फील पॉजिटिव। एंड कॉन्वेंट स्टूडेंट थे तो संस्कृत था नहीं हमको, तो आई लिटरली ट्रांसलेटेड, मेरे पास हिंदी में रामचरितमानस था और उसमें मैंने समझ के लिया कि सुंदरकांड एक्चुअल में क्या होता है। एंड देन दैट वाज द फर्स्ट टाइम कि मेरे बिलीफ आ गया सुंदरकांड के ऊपर भी। एंड इसके अलावा भी लाइक प्रेगनेंसी के टाइम पे बोलते वी शुड रीड इट, एंड एवरीबडी टोल्ड मी कि आप जो आपकी नॉर्मल डिलीवरी नहीं होगी, आप बहुत स्लिम हो, आप ऐसा वैसा। आई वॉज लाइक सुंदरकांड है एंड आई हैव द फेथ। लाइक मेरा ये बोलना है, ऐसा नहीं बोल रही हूँ कि मैं आप अगर विश्वास से बात करते हो, आप अगर खुद की लाइफ प्रिंसिपल्स में अगर आप में विश्वास है, वो किसी में भी करो आप विश्वास। ऐसा नहीं है कि आप बाइबल में विश्वास करो, आप भगवत गीता में विश्वास करो, आप दृढ़ता और निश्चय श्रद्धा
Yes,
अगर रखते हो
yes,
तो एवरीथिंग इज पॉसिबल। दैट आई वांट टू
yes,
से
yes.
यस। ये जो अपना अध्यात्म है, जो बातें हैं, जो भगवत गीता है, जो महाभारत है, जो रामचरितमानस से हमने सीखा है, वो सब कुछ एवरीथिंग मूव्स अराउंड वन थिंग ओनली। मतलब बहुत सारी बातें हैं इसके अंदर, एक अभी एक सेशन में हम डिस्कस नहीं कर सकते हैं। एवरीबडी इज सेइंग देयर ओन थॉट। जैसे कि मीनाक्षी ने कहा, आप किसी एक को चुन लीजिए और उसको फॉलो कीजिए। मीनाक्षी से मैं बोलूंगी कि यस हम ये कर सकते हैं, लेकिन सिर्फ एक एक नहीं, उसमें बहुत बड़ी दुनिया है। दुनिया में लाइफ लेसन्स बहुत सारे हैं। आप किसी एक पे अगर आप बोलेंगे कि नहीं मुझे यही अप्लाई करना है, ऐसा नहीं हो सकता है। हर दिन हर समय, अभी हम ये बात कर रहे हैं, यहाँ पे भी बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिल रहा है। वी वर नॉट नोइंग मेनी थिंग्स। हर जगह पे जहाँ पे जो सूटेबल है वहां पे हम वो अप्लाई कर सकते हैं। आई एम नॉट अगेंस्ट कि यही करो वही करो। अभी हम अगर सब कुछ अगर भगवत गीता रहता था, एक अदरवाइज मत लीजिएगा, तो हम ये ग्लोबल बुक रिव्यू ग्रुप में अलग अलग किताबें क्यों पढ़ रहे हैं मैडम? हम सिर्फ भगवत गीता ही क्यों नहीं पढ़ते? हम अलग अलग ऑथर्स क्यों ला रहे हैं? हम क्यों हर एक की ओपिनियन जानना चाहते हैं? हम क्यों अलग अलग किताबें पढ़ रहे हैं? हमने क्यों अभी थिंक अगेन पढ़ा? हमने क्यों ये अभी सराउंडेड बाय इडियट्स पढ़ा?
The reason is Shraddha.
I just raised my hand, मैम। मेरे से
Yes,
क्वेश्चन है
yes,
तो आई लाइक टू
yes,
रिप्लाई हियर।
sure, sure.
जैसे मेरा कहना था कि एक चीज करना चाहिए, वहां पर मेरा मंत्र को लेके रिसाइटेशन ऑफ नेम्स ऑफ गॉड को लेके था। लाइक
Yes,
आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि कोई बुक और
yes,
पढ़िए ही मत,
yes,
सिर्फ
you're
एक ही
right.
बुक
Yes,
पढ़िए, ये नहीं था। लेकिन हर चीज को अपना देना या आत्मसात करने के पहले अपने आप से पूछना चाहिए कि जो हमारे लिए सही है वो हमारा धर्म है। एक चीज को तो पकड़ना पड़ेगा। आई मीन मेरे लिए गुरु मंत्र है, ठीक है, बट जहां तक सत्संग की बात होती है, कुछ भी मैं सुनती हूँ, इवन अगर अगर मैं कुरान भी पढ़ूंगी ना, अलाउड नहीं है मेरे घर में रखना या उसका वो एकदम अलग इश्यू है। आई बीन इन अ कॉन्वेंट स्कूल, तो मैंने बाइबल मॉर्निंग हर हमारे स्कूल में पढ़ाते थे, तो एवरी मॉर्निंग स्टार्टेड विद बाइबल प्रीचिंग्स, है ना। लेकिन आई नो वहां पर भी सर्विस की बात हो रही होती है, क्रिश्चियनिटी में, इस्लाम में दूसरी बात हो रही होती है। लेकिन अभी इतना कुछ जूम और यूट्यूब, इंफॉर्मेशन बहुत ज्यादा है हर तरफ। इतनी ज्यादा इंफॉर्मेशन में एटलीस्ट हमें क्लैरिटी होनी चाहिए कि क्या हम कर रहे हैं, बस इतना है। जो भी हम पढ़ रहे हैं हमें उसका जिस्ट निकालना है। पढ़ेंगे तो ऑब्वियसली हमने ज्वाइन ही किया है ग्लोबल बुक रिव्यू, सो दैट वी कैन इंटरैक्ट एंड वी कैन शेयर नॉलेज। थैंक यू।
या किशोर जी आप बोलिए,
जी,
फिर मैं बोलती हूँ।
हाँ जी, मैं वो बोल रहा हूँ जैसे श्रद्धा जी ने बताया, एवरीथिंग रिवॉल्व्स अराउंड श्रद्धा। आज का जो सेशन इज ऑल्सो रिवॉल्विंग अराउंड श्रद्धा ओनली, डोंट वरी। आपने ही सेशन चालू करवाया है, दिस थॉट केम फ्रॉम योर डिस्कशन ओनली। आपने जो बोला ना कि वाई आर वी डिस्कसिंग ऑल दीज बुक्स, बिकॉज देर इज नो रिस्ट्रिक्शन टू नॉलेज। गीता है, गीता में बहुत सारा ज्ञान है, लेकिन जो आप दूसरी बुक्स की बात कर रहे हैं, जो हमने यहाँ डिस्कस करी या करने वाले हैं, दे ऑल्सो गिव यू नॉलेज। आपको गीता रिस्ट्रिक्ट करने को नहीं बोला कि सिर्फ मेरे को पढ़िए, दूसरी बुक देखिए भी मत। गीता कैन नेवर बी कंपेयर्ड विद व्हाट बुक्स वी आर रीडिंग और डिस्कसिंग हियर। देयर बुक्स, दोज बुक्स आर नथिंग अगेंस्ट गीता, लेकिन उसको भी पढ़ना ठीक है, गीता अपनी जगह है। और जो मीनाक्षी जी ने आपको बताया ना, एक चीज पकड़ के वो ये बोल रही कि जो अलग अलग हमने 10 चीजें बना दी ना, आप उसी में एक चीज को पकड़िए। और जो ब्राह्म मुहूर्त की बात करी, वो बोले आप जो लिख रहे हैं ना, आप सिर्फ एक बार नाम जप कर लीजिए, एक बार उसको कर लीजिए, फिर आपको जो करना है कीजिए, तो आपका माइंड कंसंट्रेट करेगा, यू विल बी एबल टू अचीव एवरीथिंग। आपने जो सुंदरकांड की बताई, मैं आपको लाइव एग्जांपल बताऊं। वी यूज्ड टू लिव इन सिंगापुर, वी बॉट अ फ्लैट ऑल्सो। Certain circumstances made my daughter shift to India. She was studying it. She was too young also. Now my wife was after it this कि we should move back to India because of her. Somehow we have to move back as soon as possible. और उस टाइम रिसेशन चालू हो गया था। सेलिंग अ फ्लैट वाज नॉट इजी दैट टाइम। हमने कहा जब तक बिकेगा नहीं हम जाएंगे नहीं, जिस दिन बिक जाएगा हम चले जाएंगे। मैंने एक दिन संडे को बोला कि आज हम सुंदरकांड का पाठ करते हैं। संध्या जी आप मानेंगे, हमने सुंदरकांड का दोनों ने मिलकर पाठ किया, जो भी छोटी मोटी फॉर्मेलिटी करते हैं किया। जब वो हमने लास्ट श्लोक का पढ़ा, उसका उठे हैं बाहर घंटी बजी, ब्रोकर लाया है और अपने कस्टमर को लाया वहां पर, एंड वी फाइनलाइज देन एंड देयर। तो ये जो श्रद्धा जी बोल रही है, मीनाक्षी जी बोल रही है, आपका मन उसमें लगा होना चाहिए, संकल्प होना चाहिए कि यस वी विल अचीव दिस, बाय दिस यू डू एवरीथिंग। मीनाक्षी जी सही बोल रही है। मैं ए नहीं बी पढ़ूंगी, जिसमें इन्होंने कुरान का भी नाम लिया, जो उनके घर में भी अलाउड नहीं, हमारे घर में भी रखनी रखी जाती है। उसको भी अगर मन से पढ़ेंगे तो शायद हमको भी प्राप्ति उतनी होगी, लेकिन वो जो करना है मन से करना है, दैट इज द ओनली थिंग। और
किशोर
जहां
जी,
तक गीता की बात है, दिस इज द मैन्युअल ऑफ लाइफ। आप किसी भी काम में इसको निकाल दीजिए, वन और दी अदर श्लोका विल हेल्प यू टू कम आउट ऑफ दैट सिचुएशन कि मैं फंसा हुआ हूं, इस गीता ने मेरे को निकाला यहां से। दैट इज द ओनली थिंग।
Kishore ji, I will go beyond that. What happens is, see, when you, first of all, y'all are forgetting that I am the person who started the book review group. मुझे books बहुत पसंद है। मेरे मैक्सिमम परचेसेस Amazon से बुक्स है। मैं यूएस से भी आई, मेरा खुद का सामान छोड़ के आई, लेकिन बुक्स एक भी बुक छोड़ा नहीं मैंने। सो मैं भगवत गीता, आई रीड different versions of different authors also. So it is, yes, I do believe in reading all kinds of books. But जैसे किशोर जी, मैं आपका एग्जांपल लेती हूँ। आपने जो बोला कि सुंदरकांड is something that has, I mean, before Bhagavad Gita, I started Sundarkand thanks to my husband, and it has changed my life. It has got me in a particular direction. Okay, पर मैं एक चीज बोलती हूँ कि what happens is, yes, you manifest it. आप एक थॉट से, मतलब एक पैशन से कुछ स्टार्ट करते हो, एंड यू विल अचीव इट। बट आई विल गो बियॉन्ड दैट। वो जो चीज है, वो अगर आपके लाइफ में होनी है, तो योर थॉट प्रोसेस विल गेट मॉडिफाइड। आप में अंदर से वो इच्छा पैदा होती है कि मुझे ये करना है। समथिंग ब्रॉट दैट थॉट कि नहीं, हम दोनों ने बैठ के ये सुंदरकांड करना है। क्यों उसी दिन आपके माइंड में ये थॉट क्यों आई? क्यों? सो इट इज पॉसिबली दैट लास्ट ऑब्स्टेकल या दैट लास्ट लैप, बोलते हैं ना कि अब हमारी शक्ति खत्म हो रही है, तो वो जो लास्ट का जो पैच रहता है, रफ पैच, द इट इज द डार्केस्ट बिफोर द डॉन, तो वो लास्ट पैच क्लियर होने के लिए you get that thought, and then because it is a question of survival, so you do it with such passion कि वो हो जाता है, and you think कि अरे ये हमने किया, ये हुआ। पर आपको नहीं पता है there is a much greater force which brings that thought। उसी दिन आपको ये थॉट क्यों आया? ऐसे नहीं कि आपने सुंदरकांड उसके पहले किया नहीं, किया है।
fully agree
That is what I'm trying to say।
कितना कुछ है मैडम अभी बोलने के
अब
लिए।
आपको संजय जी, आपको ये बात बताऊं, जो आपने बात बोली, ये
Yes.
श्री राम के ऊपर भी लागू हुई थी। जिस दिन वो फंस गए थे, वो शंकर भगवान की पूजा करना चाह रहे थे, उनको लिंग नहीं मिल रहा था। जब तक लिंग आता तो उन्होंने रेती से लिंग बनाया, उसकी पूजा करी थी, और उन्होंने आगे जाके प्राप्ति करी थी, युद्ध में जीते थे। तो जब उन पे लागू, तो हम तो बहुत छोटे हैं इन चीजों के लिए।
और एक बात, मैंने जब रामायण पढ़ी, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट वाल्मीकि रामायण, उसमें एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट थॉट आई रियलाइज। सी, हम लोग हर वी ट्राई टू से कि शुभ मुहूर्त निकाल के ये सब चीज करना चाहिए। अब अगर आप देखो रामायण में एवरीथिंग दे टॉक्ड अबाउट मुहूर्त, राइट फ्रॉम द बर्थ ऑफ राम, उनकी शादी, उनका जो करोनेशन, एवरीथिंग ऑस्पिशियस टाइम। येट श्री राम्स लाइफ वाज filled with struggle। So how can we say that struggle is not a positive thing? क्योंकि उन्होंने तो सब कुछ शुभ मुहूर्त में किया. इनफैक्ट जब ये दशरथ को राजा दशरथ को एक मतलब थॉट आया कि समथिंग बैड इज गोइंग टू हैपन, तो उन्होंने कोरोनेशन को प्रीपोन किया टू प्रिवेंट दैट थिंग फ्रॉम हैपनिंग. बट जो होना था वो हो गया. So that is what I mean. I personally, yes, I read all the books, but I am personally too passionate because मुझे लगता है कि वहां से जो knowledge आया है, lot of authors have taken bits and pieces and then they are writing in their own ways. हम भी जो बात करें, हम कहाँ हमारी ओरिजिनल बातें करें. We have taken it from there, we have taken it from different books and we are collaborating, collating. That's what I'm trying to say.
Struggles, ma'am, किसके पास नहीं है? I mean, if we talk about yourself, the darker side, even I'll talk about myself. I also have a dark side. सबके पास कुछ ना कुछ struggle है. But these books tell us how to be in internal bliss. And that bliss, if this question is asked to you in Gujarati, they ask केम छो? They say, how are you? They say, कैसी हो? कैसे हो? हमारा रिप्लाई क्या होता है? ठीक है.
ठीक है.
We are fine. Everything is fine. We are good. Do we ever say it's great? It's great, ठीक है, चलो बना के एक सेंटेंस बोला. But can we feel it कि वो खुशी है? I feel the joy of the waves of the ocean. और ऊपर से कुदरत की रहम भी है. We are living in God's grace and we are too happy. There was a poem in Gujarati, like एक writer ने लिखी. हुआ क्या? He was like walking down the countryside and he saw a farmer. उस farmer से उसने पूछा, दादा केम छो? He said, मजामा. तुम्हें बताओ, मतलब मेरा तो हाल बढ़िया है, तुम बताओ. तो एकदम से उनको क्या लगा कि इसकी ये स्थिति है, ये स्ट्रगल है, एंड ही इज सो हैप्पी द वे ही इज रिप्लाइंग. मतलब उसके फेस को देख के लग ही नहीं रहा है कि कोई स्ट्रगल है उसका. And he is worried about me because my face looks more in tension and more worried. So then he created a song, a Gujarati song he created कि ओ चिंतु मने करके एक song है जिसमें कि दरिया सी मौज माँ. The feeling that I have now is I feel जो दरिया की मौज में जो फील होता है वो I have, and ऊपर से कुदरतनी रेम छे. तो ये दोनों चीज अगर हमारे पास है, एंड दीज बुक्स मेन ऑल्सो टीच अस हाउ टू ड्रॉप द डूअरशिप. कई बार हमें लगता है हर कुछ हमारे कंट्रोल में है एंड वी कैन डू इट. आज का वर्ड है मैनिफेस्टेशन, हम हर कुछ कर सकते हैं. बट वंस वी ड्रॉप द डूअरशिप, चीजें हमारे लिए अपने आप काम करती है. वहीं आती है शरणागति. जहां पर हम चीजों को छोड़ते हैं क्रिएटर के ऊपर, तब चीजें काम करती है. होना वही है जो होगा, वो एकदम अलग बात है. बट अल्टीमेट सक्सेस का डेफिनेशन है हैप्पीनेस. व्हेन द हैप्पीनेस इज देयर इनसाइड, वो खुद को पता लगता है.
This is what was addressed even in Oppenheimer movie, जो भगवत गीता का जो श्लोक उसमें डाला है. That मतलब कृष्णा when अर्जुन is telling कि ये सब जो लोग हैं इनको मैं कैसे मारूं, तो श्री कृष्ण तो यही बोलते हैं, इनकी तो मौत लिखी है. डोंट टेक क्रेडिट. इनकी तो मौत लिखी है. हाँ, पर तू अगर मारेगा तो एज अ वॉरियर तू तेरा कर्म करेगा. So it is. So again, that is where that is where clearly the difference is. It is not when we manifest, then we think, okay, मैंने जो मेहनत की उसकी वजह से, और मैंने जो thought process मेरा जो था कि yes मुझे ये करना है, उसकी वजह से मैंने मेहनत की, and that's why I got it. But there is a bigger force which brings in that thought in your mind कि ये आपको करना है, उसकी वजह से आप उसके पीछे चले गए. That is what. Yes. श्रद्धा, all yours.
मैम, जो आपने कहा बिल्कुल मैं 100% उससे एग्री करती हूँ. जैसे कर्म में लिखा होगा कि अगर तुम मैनिफेस्ट भी नहीं करेंगे तो वो भी नहीं मिलेगा. नहीं, अगर आप जगह से हिलेंगे नहीं. एक कहानी बताती हूँ. एक बंदा रहता है, दिन भर भगवान को बोलता है, भगवान मुझे करोड़पति बना दो, करोड़पति बना दो, करोड़पति बना दो. दिन भर जाप करते रहता है, करोड़पति बनना है. ये महीने, 2 महीने, 4 महीने, लास्ट में भगवान आ जाते सामने. भाई तू एटलीस्ट एक लॉटरी का टिकट तो खरीद ताकि मैं तेरी लॉटरी लगाऊं. that I want to say.
करना तो होगा ही.
Good morning, Bharatji.
Hey, good morning. First of all, happy Women's Day to all the wonderful ladies,
Thank you.
and listening,
Thank you.
is it's like a it's like Sunday worth it, morning Sunday worth it. I believe like it has to be carried on. I mean, I am getting like so much perspectives. So I thought like if it is like a recurring one, it will be like more interesting. And coming to the point, like see, as Shraddha was telling, C.A. Shraddha, manifestation, right? Yeah. I believe like like I think affirmation also like see, unless like we affirm something, nothing's gonna come. Affirmation is the first step, of course. Like, and I act based on the affirmation. I strongly believe something. Then the entire planetary position, including the universe, like it will work for me. It happens like that. Like in order to like uh, ensure that like it will happen. That's why they say there is a quote, no, fortune favors the brave. It's like a why it is said because you believe strongly, like like I'm gonna do something. Then only like it comes. And one more, like one more perspective. By like we have given everything. In spite of that, like maybe like I'm not getting anything because I was part of the book review called Karma, Karma book. So that is where I guess like like the other coin comes, like the karma. You know? So okay, I believe something very strongly. I give my everything. Still, I am not able to like get that. Maybe reading the Bhagavad Gita will give me a solace, like a reason because I am clueless why it is happening with me. So it's only with due respect. This is only my perspective. Contrarians are most welcome. I just thought to like tell my perspective. And coming to like one more, I just thought, yeah, yeah, regarding like Kishore sir, telling that why it is like there is a quote: familiarity breeds contempt. I mean, we are not interested in our own. Unfortunately, like we are like interested in maybe the other West philosophies, etc. That's probably like being human, I guess. We don't look.
No, that's
There
the
is a quote.
psychology that Britishers left with us. They took away our confidence.
Yeah, yeah. And we, unless like, we are, like what I say, um, believe that we are, ours is, it's a beautiful thing. Not gonna get, it's like, no matter like how much ever you try or something, unless you start believing, manifestation, even here also it applies. Unless you like, your own, it's never gonna happen. There is a quote in Hindi, दूसरों का ताली बड़ा दिखता है, I mean, like the side ones, thali it'll always like look bigger, right? Something like that.
Grass on the other side is always greener.
Yes.
Yes. Yeah. The grass on the other side is always greener. It's like unless I'm sure like like right from the medieval ages and like right now also, uh, of course there's a recent change where lots of focus or like is given in our own things where like yoga was declared. I mean there was a yoga day which is declared in the UN, signed by almost all the countries, something like this, like like our branding, unless like we improve upon our branding and we live by it, so I don't think like it's gonna the perspective's gonna remain the same. And one more thing, like just I'll conclude one more thing. So it is like something called etiquette, so what happens is like I see across everywhere there is a sense of social civic sense which is missing in us, maybe like that's the reason we are not able to get the like mileage what it is deserved, because uh, how is my culture known to others? By the way how I react. अभी हम चाय पिए, like throw the like this thing in the litter in the road. By that like I'm not gonna like upgrade a feel, like what is the other person feel about me. I think that's where we need to change, I guess. Civic sense has to be like improved upon. I think ours is the only country probably like where the traffic guy will come in the wrong way. The traffic police, I mean, traffic police will come in the wrong way. It's like unless like we kind of improve upon that image also, I don't think the value is given by the outside world. And naturally, when other outside world is not giving me value, I tend to look the other way. Like let me put it like this. Kishore sir, I just borrowed your concept and I'm just dwelling upon. I know it's not relevant because today is secret manifestation. So that's what.
Bharatji, I have a question.
Yeah.
See, yes, and in
Yeah,
fact,
please.
it's a question for all.
Yeah.
When you said, yes, you want something and then you work towards it. But basically, the dedication or the drive to work towards it, where does that drive come from? Because unless until you have the drive, you cannot work towards it. Where does the drive come from? That is what the modern authors are not able to say. They say, you want something, go work towards it. But where does the drive come from? That drive comes from something that is deeper. It is not just you wanting it. There is something that your subconscious wants. And why does your subconscious want that? Unless until you get that answer, and that answer you will get only when you introspect. It actually happened with me for many years, because I won't boast, but yes, there are a lot of things that have happened in my life, and there have been times when I have fought with God. Why me? Why? What is the purpose of my life? I used to have this question for many years. And what happened is, one day in 2019, I was in the middle of a BMS lecture. I was conducting the lecture, and suddenly the answer just flashed in my mind. And that's when what happened is that the answer that I got, it was there all along, but the realization came from within, and that changed my entire perspective towards life. That's when suddenly the problems have disappeared. But I've realized that the goal of my life is something for which the problem is required. So now the drive to do the same things has become much more deeper, much more stronger. So that drive, kahan se, if you get the answer to that, that is what will help you manifest things in a much stronger way, in a much positive way. And this is what secret lacks. This is what many modern authors lack. That is what I'm trying to say. Kishorji, when I spoke about Gita Bodh also speaks about this. गीता बोध में, वो भगवत गीता में नहीं लिखा है, वो गीता बोध में लिखा है कि what is it that defines you. बहुत ही अच्छी तरीके से, it's not your certificates that defines you. It is not even your physical structure that defines you. If your physical structure, I always tell people, if your physical structure defines you, then if I donate an organ to somebody, that recipient should be me. But that recipient is not me. So what defines me is my attitude. And that attitude is a result of all my past karma. It is not just a result of what I'm experiencing now. It is something that I am carrying from ages. It is much more deeper. And it is that attitude with which I get into my present and my future. That attitude drives it makes the manifestation much more stronger. That is where my serious, and this is only taken care in our scriptures. I have even read Bible. I have not read Quran, honestly, but I have read Bible. My neighbor was a Catholic, and yes, there are a lot of things that I agree, but ऐसी कोई चीज नहीं जो मैंने I have not seen in Bhagavad Gita or I have not seen in Ramayana. So that's where in fact, the fact that Bhagavad Gita came in my life was again a coincidence. See, again, when we talk about coincidence, in 2020, I was sitting with my director in an educational institution. मतलब हमेशा से एक thought process था कि I want to read Bhagavad Gita, but there was no drive. So I was just sitting with her, and that institution was trying to launch a course for entrepreneurship since 3 years. पर वो हो नहीं रहा था. There were a lot of obstacles. And when I was talking to her, उनके पीछे मुझे चाणक्य नीति का बुक दिखा. So I was like, oh, you have this? So she said, yeah. So then ऐसे thought process आया कि why don't we use that in the course of entrepreneurship? So she said, see if you can research. So when I started researching, and me and my husband is deeply into this, so then we realized कि चाणक्य नीति का source क्या है? चाणक्य नीति का source, whether it is चाणक्य नीति, whether it is Mahatma Gandhi's teachings, सब चीजों का source भगवद गीता है. That's when I started getting into the Bhagavad Gita. तो उसी वक्त क्यों ये thought process आया? After that, I read at least 5 different versions of different authors. फिर मैंने जो 5th भगवद गीता जो अभी तक मेरी कंप्लीट नहीं हुई है, वो मैंने गीता प्रेस की जो भगवद गीता द इंग्लिश वर्जन वो लिया. दैट इज व्हेन अ लॉट ऑफ थॉट्स, लॉट ऑफ क्लैरिटी केम. सो व्हाई डिड इट हैपन ओनली एट दैट टाइम? मुझे इच्छा थी, got it, but why did it happen only at that time? So there is something which we are still not able to get that answer. That something decides what you should manifest also. It is not just, yes, I want and I'll manifest. Why do I decide what I have to manifest at that time? Why not some other time? What drives that thought? That's what I'm trying to say.
Yeah, I remember, a Sanskrit quote, et bhavam tad bhavati, something like what you basically keep here is what you end up, And another quote, positivity begets positivity. See, I can, any incident happens. I think I remember my first book review was like I don't know, where control your thoughts, because any incident happens. There are like 2 ways of taking it. It can be a positivity thing or like a negativity thing. No matter what, it may be like a bad incident, good incident, whatever. I can still take the takeaways of positivity, or I can take away like negativities. So when I take that positivity only, and like move forward, then only it's gonna come, I guess. That's why like they say affirmations. You write down like have a sticky notes, 10 sticky notes that I am the best, or like for example, my mission is like being CA. I mean, if I am a student, like I am a CA. Kind of like you keep on telling it, seeing that. From there, I guess like that's the start point, I guess. From there, my whatever the feed I get in my head stands there. Then only like it comes. You see, if I am like, for example, like I'm just thinking something else instead of like thinking about CA. So assume that I'm pursuing my CA course, and my thoughts are like entirely like like maybe a movie which is coming, or a Game of Thrones. I don't know, like the web series, what's gonna happen. So my thought is like going there. So how can I like have that firm conviction that like I need to be like a CA? So I think like the first step is get the feed in your head, because actually like I can give a small demonstration. For example, like I like hold like this. Can you able to like take a 5 rupee coin from here? Assume that I give you like power. All you guys can be here physically. Can you take it out? Yes or no?
No.
You can take it out, right? I guess like even though I'm strong, but I'm sure like
By
you can
applying
take it out.
force, we can.
Yes, but
Not,
however,
not just that. For example, even your child can take it if I mean the person really badly wants, just tickle you and get it,
exactly.
or
However,
emotionally blackmail you.
see, however, there is no 5 rupee coin here itself. Then how is gonna how
Yes.
is it that you're gonna take it? So unless I have it here, it's not gonna come. See, first
Yes.
thing is like the feed. I guess with due respect, like that is my perspective. I already said, I'm just like telling my perspective. So like unless I have the feed here, it's not gonna come. So especially like you are in a mission, or like you strongly believe like something you want to do. First is control your feed. You have to like internalize thinking about that.
Your subconscious should accept it. Okay, this is going to
Yes,
happen. I'm
internalize
going
like
to get it.
I should like talk like a CA. I should
Yes.
like dream like a CA. My
Yes.
move like a CA. Everything. I think then you are caught in a loop. Like the same thing. Gonna like internalize, and based on that, I think manifestation may come. I think Shraddha is
What
done.
made you
I mean,
choose CA?
See, what I want to say is what the secret moves around is thoughts become things. Now, in a day, you get n number of thoughts, and you cannot control each and every thought. We cannot monitor each and every thought which is coming to my mind. Sometimes it can be some doing ill of somebody. Sometimes it can be a positive thought. What it says, we cannot control all the thoughts, but we can surely control how the work will make you feel. If I give something, so you can put it into two zones, good zone and bad zone, what I am feeling. And then if you are feeling good after happening of that act, then you have to put it in the positive zone. Basically, it's all the thought process. What if we want to sum up, that is a thought process. And like you said, ma'am, yes, what is the driving force, what after becoming, what I will get from it, that is all the driving force. Like it's not in the secret, but in the upcoming books, like the greatest secret, the
No,
power,
no,
the
no.
hero,
No, you're
it's there.
telling the driving force comes later on. What I'm saying is
Yeah,
it's a
moot
driving
point is
force which
Yes,
brings
it
in
is
yeah,
there.
exactly.
which
It is
brings in
there.
that thought.
You
let's
have
just
to
say
get that thought. Like बहुत सारे विचार दिन भर आते हैं. अभी मैं यहाँ बैठी हूँ,
No,
मेरे मन में भी कुछ और विचार है. ये विचारों को अपन हर किसी को मॉनिटर नहीं कर सकते. तुम यस,
Shraddha,
लेकिन हम
that is
उनकी
the moot
फीलिंग
point,
को
you
कर
know.
सकते हैं.
Shraddha ji, that is the
हाँ.
moot point. So her point was how to get that, you know, like a primary thing, you know,
yes,
which, yeah,
yes.
that's what.
Okay,
Based
one
on,
minute. Sameer, I guess Sameer has raised his hand, and yes, I would love Nidhi, Debbie, I would say Devashri, Mohit, Anita. I would
Pinakin
want everybody to participate. Yes.
May I,
ji
ma'am?
also,
Lian is
Pinakin
there.
ji also.
She's a, you know, like a psychologist herself, right?
May I?
Yes. Yes, Sameer.
Yeah.
Yeah, so my perspective is that when you embark on any journey, of course, the desire to achieve something is always there. Now, how you can refine and strengthen the journey to that extent, I agree with the earlier speaker that you just start the journey, take few steps, and then there is a way call that you make it public, even though you have not achieved something, so that you will keep on creating a new higher benchmark for that. And that desire will see, it's like this कि एक दिन आपको लगेगा मुझे सीए बनना है, 2 दिन के बाद आप you question yourself कि whether you really want to be a CA. Correct. If the answer still come yes, fine, because the commitment is something which comes with some kind of encouragement. It is not like you keep yourself motivated by few books and all that. It will, of course, that will help, but there has to be some kind of what you say, the benefit which should flow along with some small achievements. Okay. And how that benefits will flow for me, let's say, if the recognition or validation by other people is kind of recognition. Nowadays, lot of things are happening on social media. People are openly disclosing their small achievements in social media. Look at our generation. We never do that. We never need any authorization from social media, any validation from social media. But for some, this is a kind of small achievements. And that kind of encouragement will keep on raising your benchmark. And that is why eventually you will get that desire which will go deeper, and which you will find the purpose of your journey is getting fulfilled. Once that gets aligned, the push will be much higher to achieve that particular part or to achieve whatever you have defined it when you started your journey. But the idea is that everybody says, keep the writing. If you're doing a goal setting, keep it in writing. Because why? Because people tend to forget after a few weeks, few months, where I'm heading. So you need to have a self introspection process in place. You need to celebrate small win also. Okay. And then of course you can once you embark on that journey, it may be very much possible. Forget CA, you are capable. You can be a MBA, you can be a MD. Example, I am just giving few example. You can add n number of degrees, because then your vision becomes much better. You get a larger view of the thought process that you had when you started that process and when you are in the midway. So you need to keep on celebrating small wins also. That is my mantra for this.
My thought over here, Sameer, is that you said ki when you start your journey. My thought over here is what made you even start that journey. So the introspection comes much before. That introspection helps you in selecting the journey itself, in finding the reason why I should start that journey. Because
I mean, I'll take my case. Yeah, I agree with you. With due respect, I take my case. I am a chartered accountant. When I was in 7th standard, I never thought that I will be a CA. In fact, I am still telling you today that but CA is a fluke for me. It's just a luck. Okay, but now after becoming CA 20 years down the line, I have again revisited my another passion, which I am following today. So apart from CA, I have been very good hardcore specialist in my field. Okay, but when I was doing CA, I was never serious. It was not done with any purpose. The purpose that I got, I mean, that is my experience. That's where I am coming from. That not necessarily you start with something where you know the purpose that you want to be a cricketer, you want to be a next Sachin Tendulkar. Not possible, I'm telling you, because circumstances are there. Your people that you play with or which are around you are very much influential in your earlier days. Correct. So, like example, I'm giving you one classic example. It's very personal to me. My child is good at maths. So he's so brilliant right now that we have enroll him in an advanced mental course academy. But I don't know whether he can be a champion in that field later on, because it will keep on changing unless he demonstrate the need to follow that part and remain committed on that part. And for that, small encouragement, small wins needs to be celebrated in big way, which I'm doing. I'm just trying this process even on my live examples, that whether this is workable and that is how it will manifest into he becoming something better in future. I don't know, I am not expecting any result, but I am just giving a try. So not necessarily that purpose is predefined when you start the career. No, you are on mute, ma'am.
Yes, Bharat ji and Shraddha have raised their hands, so I want to hear from them.
See,
Yeah,
ma'am,
just
what
two-
I want
two
to say
quick
is,
points. Yeah.
like the introspection you said, from where does it come? Many a times, the family background, like you are born in some underprivileged society, like Mother Teresa, she was like to
What
elevate the
Sameer just said.
sufferings of the
Okay.
people. And many a times we don't know, still we are moving on the way ahead. And then we find the direction. जरूरी नहीं है कि निर्णय पहले ही ले, अब पहले ले भी ले फिर उसको सही भी प्रूफ कर सकते. निर्णय न घेता येणे, दैट इज अ डायलेमा, लाइक सिचुएशन इन डायलेमा. कभी कभी हम कर्म के पद पे चलते रहते हैं, फिर बाद में अपने आप मंजिल मिल जाती है. कभी कभी जैसे हम देखते हैं बच्चा बहुत ही बुरे हालात में पैदा हुआ है, तो वो चाहता है कि नहीं मैं दूसरों को ऐसा नहीं बनने दूं, मैं आईएएस करूंगा. लाइक वो आहिस्ता आहिस्ता आ जाता है. बहुत कम है कि हम ये क्यों कर रहे हैं.
श्रद्धा, आपने एक बहुत बड़ी बात की. आपने बोला कर्म के पथ पे चलना चाहिए. ये कर्म कहां से डिसाइड हुआ? That's again I'm coming to the same thought.
एक चीज जो भगवत गीता में कही है, नियति.
हाँ,
इट्स योर फेट. और नियति किस चीज से तय होती है? हमारी नियत से. व्हेन वी आर सेटिंग आवर इंटेंशंस, हमारा इंटेंशन है, जैसे अभी सबीर जी ने भी बोला that I have set this goal for my child, but I don't know what future is there, what future is going to unfold for him. तो हर किसी के अलग अलग कर्म,
yes.
past, present and whatever. तो वहां पर हमें कंट्रोल छोड़ना पड़ेगा. We have to drop the doership towards anything that we are doing. कुछ तो करना ही है, ऐसा तो है नहीं हम लोग बिना एक्शन के तो रह ही नहीं सकते. जैसे गीता में भी लिखा हुआ है, कर्म किए बिना हम रह ही नहीं सकते. कुछ नहीं करेंगे तो खासेंगे,
वो भी
सांस
तो कर्मा
लेंगे,
ही है.
कुछ तो
कुछ
करेंगे.
ना
हर
करना
कुछ
वो भी
कर्मा
कर्मा है.
के में आता है, कुछ नहीं करना भी कर्मा है. जो भीष्म पितामह ने किया, he was watching everything what happened with Draupadi, and he wasn't responding to them just because he was bound with the pratigya that he took. तो वो भी नहीं करना है.
Yes, true.
Ma'am, I want to add something to what Meenakshi Ben has said. That karma is so important. The way you approach anything, so much important, so much value that it adds to whatever you do. That I think any commercial angle is not is it can be easily be ignored. I just want to. I don't know how I need to explain this, but see, a thing which is done with karma, it is a far more valuable than something which is done with some commercial purpose. And I have seen so many examples that the joy of giving that you say, as you
Yes.
say sometime, it manifests in your whatever you want to do. That manifestation gets little stronger once you be a part of a karmic journey. it becomes much stronger when you start that journey, and that goal or that precision or that clarity comes through your mind that now you are ready for this big show, or I don't know, that power somewhere divine is bestowed on us, that
Yes.
this karmic, according to me, it all starts when what kind of education that you get when you are in your early phases of life from your
Yeah.
parents, adults, and some
And
teachers.
karma keep changing also, and it is in our hands. We can we can change it. We can
That's the
transform
only
it.
thing in our end, yes.
है ना, हो
Because
सकता है, हर कुछ हमारे
like
साथ हो सकता है. हमारा
like
जो पास्ट के गड्ढे भरेंगे तो अपने आप फ्यूचर ठीक होता जाएगा.
Yes.
see, just as an example, consider the case of Anand Ambani, born to Mukesh Ambani. Correct.
Anant
And
Ambani, yes.
you have, yeah, and you have seen his journey, what he has been doing. I no need to state anything on this forum. But just assume that Anand Ambani is born to some poor family family. Do you think he would have been the same person as if he is today? And do you think anything other than karma, see, karma will start its role only once a person has taken a birth on this planet, not before that. Before that, it is everything to do with his past karma or previous, his last or whatever, his like 7 जन्म तक क्या किया है वो किसको पता है, who is taking account of that? Correct. For you can only do karma once you get some kind of maturity which you can achieve around 12-13 years, and then your journey of karma starts, according to me. Because even before that, the karma will be influenced by the people around you, not and the civic sense that you carry, the acts that will bring smile to the society, and the acts which will be having some repercussion to the society. So karma, according to me, your journey starts once you get some kind of maturity, which I would term it after 12-13 years. Before that, you don't have a control even there. And this
We
life is
don't have
short.
control.
Like we are, I don't know, even on this call, there are 13-14 people on this call. This discussion may give one idea to one person which can change the situation to change their life. I'm telling you that one small idea and the implementation of the small idea can have a lot of value in one's life. And the privilege that one has in terms of you know being surrounded by good people versus bad people. From so what is good, what is bad is also a definition to be discussed, like because nothing is given in this world. Krishna doing some act, but that was considered not good, because that was considered more political, and if he would not have done, it would have been more damaging. Now somebody may say it is still a bad act, but something which is done with a good niyat, like what Meenakshi Ben was talking, will have a far better value, will be far more enriching than your commercial thing.
Samirji, can I add something?
Bharatji.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah,
Please.
continuing, Samir's point, like where I want to do something, you gonna like tell first up, announce it later on, you get that conviction to do. This technique was used even by Thomas Alva Edison, the greatest inventor. What he used to do, he used to tell that, like already this model is ready,
Yes, sir.
even though like at the back, he's just thought that, he's gonna do about it. So he used to always announce in 3 months, this is coming up. Then he used to take the pressure on himself and like later on work on it. Yeah, that is one point. And another point, like which I thought like which is more relevant is like no, I somehow missed it. I'll get back. The moment I get back, I'll carry on. Thank you.
Kishorji.
Yes, Samir ji ne jo bola, whatever he said about Anand, I start with Anand Ambani only.
Kishorji, your
Samirji,
voice is
Anand
low. Can you
okay,
get the mic closer?
okay. Now is it okay? A bit better? Not
I
yet.
think it's better.
Okay. समीर जी ने जो अनंत अंबानी वाला बोला, अनंत अंबानी is born to Mukesh Ambani. Possibly his karma of earlier births, you don't know when and where. when we are here in this birth also, we are manifesting maybe for our next karma, next birth also. You don't know. आपको कोई बहुत अच्छा लगता है, this family is good. तो sometimes आपके मन में कभी कभी आता है, काश मैं इस परिवार में पैदा हुआ होता. You don't know आप अगले के लिए क्या manifest कर रहे हैं अपने आप को. तो he must have manifested that I would take birth there, and that is what his karma has brought him here. So दूसरा आपने जो एज के लिए बोला, अभी आपने जो एआई वाला हुआ था, या दिल्ली में जो हुआ था एआई कॉन्फ्रेंस, I think for 3 days. There is one speaker, he's only 11 years old. So age also is not a restriction कि कर्मा क्या होगा. अब उसको आपको बताओ, we all are among 40, 50, 60 वाले सब लोग हैं. हमको इतना एआई नहीं आता, उस 11 वाले को एआई कहां से आया? Something has come into his mind from his earlier births also. So whatever we get for in this birth is not restricted to only this birth. It comes from behind, and when you don't know when. So it is all level of each soul, which level, which soul will get what in which level, you don't know when. This is what my submission is.
I think he was 8 years, not even 11.
Yeah, okay, possible.
8 years.
तो इसलिए वो
Amazing.
एज भी उस पे काम नहीं करती है कि वो कर्मा का एज कब से चालू होगा.
नहीं सर, my point was कि age, once there is some kind of maturity, that's how your karma starts.
Agree,
It can be 10,
but
it
that
can
is
be
not restricted to. I agree, but that is not restricted to age only. That's the problem. A person at 2 years,
Noted.
3 years can be matured then as compared to a person of 30 years. Both have different type of maturities.
Valid point.
Yes. Okay. Debbie, I think आपको बीच में बात करनी थी.
She has to be Dhurandhar in all the discussions now.
Debbie. She's actually Devashri, you know. Debbie, you should change that name. You've got such a beautiful name. She's Devashri.
Good morning, everyone. So,
Yes, good morning.
yeah, thank you for giving me a chance, Sandhya ma'am. But I mean, I feel very small in front of you all to share my words, but I thought I'd make an effort. So, yes, my name is Devashri. So, people prefer calling me Debbie or Devashri. I mean, the choice is theirs, but popularly known as Dhurandhar. So, I think that name is working wonders currently. So, yeah, I'm going to speak in terms of my personal life experience, and it is something that has left me. I mean, to be very frank, I'll start with saying that I'm confused at this point. So I learned about manifestation about last year, just about a year back. I'm very new to this concept, manifestation, law of attraction. So, and at that point, when I learned this concept, came to know about this concept rather, I had some desire. Rather, need come desire in mind. So I started manifesting that. Now, about say 6 months down the line, today rather, so about 6 months down 6 months or 8 months or 10 months back, that need or desire that I had then, the intensity is not there anymore. And I'm amazed and surprised. The intensity was there, I mean, like not even 100%, 200%. But today, I will not say it's 0%, but it is near vanishing. And I ask myself this question, why? And now I come to I'm in a complete dilemma situation wherein I don't know what to manifest. So today I say that when I say I'm confused, so when I'm listening to all you people, the question that comes to my mind is, I don't know what I want. I mean, in terms of that aspect of my life, of course, in that one particular aspect of my life. But that was so much what I needed 6-10 months back. Today, I see myself. So then, but when this was difficult for me, this hearing all you people was difficult for me. But then as I sort of kept hearing on, I mean, all your thoughts and views, I came across two conclusions that one thing is what Dr. Sandhya spoke about is very true, that you so today I've come to a point that I don't need that. Say, suppose I'm tagging it, labeling it as A that I needed 6 months back, and today B. I've identified what I want, but I'm amazed at the fact that how come in this, that all these 6 months I was manifesting A, and today how have I reached to needing or desiring B is what I'm amazed at. So that's when Dr. Sandhya spoke about gave me food for thought, enlightened me in a sense that so it is all a design of the divine, that the divine, it's beautiful. The process is so beautiful that the divine slowly, like you want A, okay? But because divine knows what you need at that point, and it is not only what you want that you're going to get, but slowly and steadily, in his own beautiful way, he will get you, he will transcend you from A to B. And so now when I have to look at my answer, that I was living and breathing A. I want it. And today I try to think, do I want A? But the answer is, I don't know. I'm confused. No, it is not A, but it is. And now I have realized, I've got this realization that it's actually B that I need. So what I was seeking, what I was desiring was, maybe it held good at that point in time, but today, so maybe I have evolved as a person, and or maybe the divine wanted me to evolve as a person and grow and come to this point, and which is why my desire has changed unto B. And so this is the divine's message. When I ask myself why, or when I'm so very amused and so very, irritated, you can say, no, how is this possible? How did I reach here? So I think, yeah, thank you, Dr. Sandhya. You gave me that wisdom. I got that wisdom from your words, that today it's like it's what the divine wants. So so I add here, it's not only manifestation, it's a perfect blend of the divine intervening in. And so we come back to many people will not like me saying, it's all his plan, it's his design, and finally it has to go as per his plan and design.
Because
sorry, however,
that divine is sitting within you, and that divine, when you introspect, you listen to the divine, and then your thoughts get aligned, and then your manifestation possibly changes. That is what happens.
So I will add a step further, saying that maybe all these years I was not I was not honoring my inner voice. And today the positive of the negative, okay? So because I went through a horrendous situation, the past 6 years I've been going through hell, and that's the negative. And the positive today is where I am today. I have sprung up even from a disaster situation. So the positive of the negative is because I had to evolve.
Debbie, here at this point, I'll interrupt. This is where, if we look at Bhagavad Gita, since the 90s, people started talking about design thinking. But I feel the best example of design thinking is Bhagavad Gita. Bhagavad Gita ka agar aap wo 18 chapters dekho, the way it is structured, it is, you have 6 chapters, 6 chapters and 6 chapters. The first 6 chapters, they talk about karma, doing your karma yoga. The next 6 chapters talk about bhakti, and the last 6 chapters are all about gyan. Now, the best part, why is the 6th chapter of Bhagavad Gita talking about mind control? Why is it only in the 6th chapter, not in any other chapter? How it is designed? Even the start of Bhagavad Gita starts with doing a SWOT analysis. When we are faced with a problem, we start, why do we manifest something? Because we do our own analysis, we do our SWOT analysis, and then we come up with this, okay, aise hona chahiye, right? We start working in that direction. And then we come to a stage where we are rethinking, we are trying to further analyze. Like the 6 months that you have gone through, you're further analyzing. And where did this analysis come from? It came with the thoughts that were in your mind. So unless until your mind, because initially when you started, your mind was cluttered. So that's why you manifest with a cluttered mind. And that manifestation, whether it is correct or wrong, you will know only when you start decluttering. So in the 6th chapter of Bhagavad Gita, it's all about decluttering. Bhagavad Gita is the first book where the world came to know about meditation. So meditation helps you to declutter and have a relook at what was my thought. Was I on the right track, or do I need to relook? Do I need to rethink? And do I need to strategize again? Do I need to change my path? And that's how now, with a decluttered mind, you have come to that plan B. You understand that plan B may perhaps not be so different from plan A, or it may be
Yes,
different.
agree.
Or
It is
but
not very different. It is
yes,
not very different,
but
but it
now
is
you're
different.
much more calmer, and that's why you're able to think objectively.
But again, yeah, Sandhya ji, I mean, I will interrupt here, sorry, by to tell you
No,
that
go ahead.
again, this is my thank you. This is my personal experience that this declutter that you're talking about, I'm telling you, you need to trust me on this. I didn't do any meditation all along or any conscious efforts to actually declutter my mind, because what I'm going through is so terrible that I possibly couldn't have done this on my own. And so now see the beauty of it. So the divine, when you say the divine actually comes to you, so the divine came to me in human form. Okay. And he came to me in human form, and it is because of this external force. I could actually, it helped me declutter and arrive at this wisdom that I want, that I desire, plan B and not plan A. Okay. So it's after, so it all boils down to that, all of us and each one of us. So I request each one of you today, I actually plead that never think he is continuously with you. Yeah, he is within you also. That is also correct when you say that he is within me, but he's also external. He's around you. So the beautiful experience that I've had today is that the divine is very much around me, and in no other different form than actually the form of a human. And it's just that the forms keep changing throughout your life, throughout the phases of your life, but the divine is continuously speaking to you and continuously coming to you through your fellow human beings.
Yes.
देखने का नजरिया वो नजर होना चाहिए. You have to train your vision, okay, to
Exactly.
observe and understand and decode that which person in your life is getting you. I mean, not everybody. See, you have 10 people in your life around you. Out of the 10 people, there are those 3 people who are the messengers of God in your life. And
Yes.
they are the ones who make difference to your life. They make your life, they are there in your life to help you evolve as a person and to help you take one step closer towards your actual purpose of your life. And
Love
the
you,
true
Debbie. You said it perfectly.
I mean, I'm thank you, Sandhya ji, but I love the divine. My heart is full of gratitude for the divine. Today, I really feel empowered on Women's Day. Indeed, this day is so great for me because I feel empowered as a woman. And it is all thanks to the divine, and not only the divine, all the messengers of God that have come to me in my life. I mean, it's a big salute to all of them that they have helped me reach this stage. So bless them and bless all of you. I'm blessed to share this beautiful experience, and I'm feeling blessed to have experienced something so beautiful and to have experienced the divine at each stage of life.
Yes.
It's very beautiful.
Yes. Anybody would like to add? Sameer, Meenakshi, Kishorji, Shraddha, Lian.
Just that, just that. Just when Debbie said, I got even like when she discussed about 6 years of struggle. Yes,
Wrongte.
just one line, one line, one line.
Wrongte
Six
खड़े हो गए.
years, 6 years of struggle, and now with the mindset that I now feel divine. That is transformation. And I read somewhere there was, I saw a picture of a lion when he was drinking water, and he could see his reflection onto the water. And the line was written as a quote, in the end, it's you versus you. So it's all that you have to face yourself to at the end of the day or at the end of life. And so far as people around you are concerned, see, God cannot appear and say his things like what he wants to communicate to you. He has people around who will just mention things so that you can
Yes.
think
And
accordingly. ये एक
most of
बहुत
the
सही
time,
बात आपने कही.
I like
ये
to
एक
add
बात
that
आपने सही
most of
बात
the
कही.
time we are ignorant. We are ignorant because we look down or we judge the person. Okay, when a person that अरे क्या ज्ञान दे रहा है यार, enough, stop.
हमारा ध्यान ही नहीं जाता, इसलिए तो ज्ञान
No,
सुनना पड़ता
because
है.
it's a problem. It's a problem about your mindset, and I will use the word ego. Okay, ego is a strong word, but I will use the word ego because I'm the know-all. I'm the do-all. Be humble. Stay humble because you never know. Age is, as we talked about the age, like an 8-year-old today. Why anybody? I mean, today I will. I mean, I will actually go and touch my daughter's feet. She's just 8-year-old, but today she's teaching me. So she's the woman, numero uno woman in my life. I call her my mother. You know, in Marathi, we say Ai. So ती माझी आई hai. She's teaching me today. I mean, it's that great. So it's basically, so now ego, why I say ego is that I am her mother, but I am humble to the core that I am willing to learn from her. And actually, I'm practicing that. I go to my daughter and I tell her, please tell me this now. I am in this situation. She came up with some solutions on her own, and I was amazed at her thoughts, at her dialogues. And then I was tempted to ask her, so please, I am stuck in this situation. Then what is the solution that you give me? And we've started having these dialogues between mother and daughter. I am 44, she's just 8.
You know, Debbie, why this is happening? Because when she is manifesting or when she is speaking, her thoughts are not influenced by the outside world. Her thoughts are coming from within. What happens is, where our manifestation goes wrong is we see the outside world, we see what's happening, and then we want to manifest what is happening with somebody else. We see that that person is happy, so I want to manifest that so that I will get the happiness. But if I introspect, my way of happiness may be different from that person's way of happiness. So that's why looking within is more important than outside. That's why today your kids, they are a reflection of God. They're innocent.
Exactly.
That's why they end up telling you the truth.
I was coming to the point that they are really the purest form of the divine.
Yes.
That's why they make more sense to you. So in
Yes.
fact, when adults say, you know, oh, don't teach me, okay, you are my child, that is wrong. That's ego, and that ego needs to burn
Yes.
if you want to evolve in life.
Yes.
I will say that.
Yes, Sameer.
Thank you.
See, I will say कि any view by a stranger, which is very personal to you, should be taken in good spirit, because I think because they are not biased by any background or from where they come from, and because they don't know me as a person. So once and if it is sounding some correction that needs to be taken, you should be taking that correction and just see how it goes later on, and judge whether whatever he has mentioned was fitting in my the way I was doing the things, or it is better the way I was doing the things. Because like you mentioned that you taking an advice from your daughter help you a lot, because your daughter is not biased. Her way of looking at the things is completely different from you, the way we look as an adult. We need to go back to the basics. When I say basics, we are not going to school. We don't get an idea from our friends. We don't know what is happening around the world because we are lost in our own world of following whatever we want to do. And sometimes it is taken for granted that we know everything. I mean, this is a new generation. It is coming up very fast with new technology and all that.
True.
And
Very
if
true.
you don't stay close to your like teenagers and all that, I am very sure that even in your business now, it is going to backfire at some point in time. Because if you really want to grow, even let's say in your professional career, then you need to get down to the basics, talk to few teenagers, few people in your peers, within your peers, and get some ideas. And actually, not just getting ideas, because for you it was easy to implement that idea or execute that idea, whatever your daughter has shared with you. But let's say coming from a stranger, you are not so serious. It's taken for granted, correct?
No,
So
so Samir, I will, yeah, but yeah, please go on. I will like to state something which will really help you. I
okay.
mean, help
So
just everyone.
like consider my case that I have two sons. I'm blessed with two sons. One is 12 and one is 8. And I am also literally amazed with what they are capable of. And I do sit with them and share, just as a learner, that what is that I'm missing in the way I'm doing the things. And it's a kind of connect. Even otherwise it helps me to develop that friendship kind of a relationship. Forget, I'm not saying father son relationship. I need to be a friend with him. And how it starts with a little conversation, and they sharing their ideas, and you actually implementing their ideas, so that no matter what the decision is taken, once it is implemented, you need not judge the outcome also, because that is a kind of encouragement even for them. Okay, they think that their ideas are being implemented.
Yeah,
Now,
implement. So
what
that's
cost
brilliant.
and what outcome, nobody is going to judge. And we as a adult, we know what is the cost and what is the efforts which are involved in that idea. But that's okay. It's worth trying 10 times, 15 times.
Yeah, so if you can do that with your children, it's brilliant. But now I'm coming to the point of strangers, okay? So hear this, okay? And this is again from my personal experience, from my very recent experience. So when it's a stranger, you keep going down the journey of self-doubt because you keep thinking that this person has just known me in the past few months, and who is he to tell me that this is good for you, this is bad for you? Who is he? And I've questioned like 1,000 billion trillion times. So that's where it clicks you. How does he know you? He doesn't even know you. I mean, is he your mother? Is he your father? Nobody, right? Is he your parent? Just nobody. But then why is there so much conviction in his thoughts about you, in his words about you, in his that I mean, what he feels for you, what he wants you to do. Okay. So that's what helps you realize that he is truly the divine is speaking to you through him. He is nobody else, but he's coming straight from the divine. And that's where the trust, I mean, that's where you just have to leave all your inhibitions, ego. So, ego, I mean, I'm not an egoistic person, so I am blessed. I have that virtue. I'm extremely humble. So you leave just all of your inhibitions, just go bare and blindly, literally, I'm using the word blindly, trust and have faith in the divine and the person who's coming in the form of the divine to you, and go ahead and see your life, how beautiful it gets. I'm talking from my personal experience, so you can never go wrong. And again, I'm saying it's the confidence with which and the enthusiasm and the excitement and exuberance with which I speak is because I'm thankful to the divine. He has blessed me with this beautiful experience of life. So, yeah, that's. I'm happy to share this on this Women's Day
Yes.
to empower not only women but men as well. The mankind, the human race rather, mankind.
Yes, Shraddha, Samir, your hands are raised. Shraddha, you want to say something?
I heard what Devi wants to say. And like she said, she was in a confused state of mind. I want to add here that not all thoughts that you manifest will become things. Keep this is a double hashtag to the secret. But yes, the thoughts with conviction, like if you want inner transformation, you start moving towards A. And in between, if B comes, there may be some doubt in the process, or maybe the actual way which you have. Suppose if some things are not working, we simply change the path. The person who has come to you, the divine, what you are saying, that is also attracted by you. The person you have attracted in your life for the better. Nobody comes for some other reason. The reason is yourself, your belonging. The divine, the universe, the Bhagavad Gita, Krishna, everything is the faith which we have. You have attracted that person, the daughter, that like you are believing her. The thoughts you are believing in it. You have attracted that in your life. And the attraction, like ma'am said, Sandhya ma'am, from where it was, yes, it has connection from the birth itself.
Yeah.
But
So
like
understood. We have a bond, we have a connection.
every person, whoever is coming in our life, they also have a purpose, the higher purpose.
Yes.
Like you said, I was
So-
manifesting something
Yeah.
else.
So the word
And
is
something else is coming.
soul contract. The word is soul contract. So basically, these are soul contracts, which
What brought
which
your
come into
daughter
your
Debbie
life.
to your life? It is not we who decide कौन
Yeah.
सा बच्चा हमारे नसीब में होना चाहिए. That
Logic-
is contract.
देखिए इधर हमको लॉजिक नहीं लगाना, इलॉजिकली. जैसे फिजिक्स है, अगर लाइक पोल्स अट्रैक्ट ईच अदर, अपोजिट सॉरी लाइक पोल्स रिपेल ईच अदर, अपोजिट्स अट्रैक्ट ईच अदर. इधर लॉजिक नहीं है, बस
It's
चलते
crazy.
जाइए.
I will tell you, it's crazy. I have got my daughter after 8 years of my marriage. Okay.
Huh.
And
You have
when
that much faith in her. What I want to say, आपका उसमें उतना विश्वास है.
the point that I'm
उसमें-
trying to, yes, but the point that I'm trying to make is that so she is none other than a soul contract from the past, which was
Yes.
meant to come into my life at that point. I mean, at a point when I didn't even expect that I would actually conceive or actually I would have a baby at that late stage. But she came into my life, right? So she's come for the purpose, and now I've identified the purpose that today she is my mother.
Yes, yes.
Okay. It's almost 2 hours. Lovely, lovely discussion. I see that some people have logged off. Samir, would you like to add something? Kishorji, Lian, Pavan?
I want to
I
add
am
something.
leaving, Sandhya
If
ma'am.
I may.
I am very much thankful for this session.
Yes.
Hearty thanks to you. We have put all our perspectives, such an open heart discussion. Like it was very insightful, really.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Debbie,
Thank you.
I'll tell you
Shraddha
one
ji, it
thing.
all started because of you.
Yes.
Yes, thanks to you, Shraddha. All credit goes to you.
I know Pavan
ऐसा
wants to
ऐसा किसी
speak
के ऊपर
this one.
सीक्रेट थोपना नहीं था, बस अपने अपना लाइफ एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करना है.
Shraddha, if you can hold on for 2 minutes, I would just want to add something. Yes, Dr. Sandhya, can I
Yes, sure.
add something? So when we're talking about karma, and when you said, Dr. Sandhya, that we have baggage, we are carrying baggage from, so whatever, the horrendous experience that I went through, I truly most deeply believe that it is my karma from the past. But now again, my experience is that whatever karma, whatever good I'm doing towards a fellow human being is actually subtracting and minusing that baggage from the past, and which I can. So it is in you. The power is in your hands. So ऐसे नहीं है कि कर्म का फल मुझे भुगतना ही है, but वो कम किया जा सकता है by doing
Yes.
good
That's
karma
what
in this
Meenakshi said.
lifetime.
That's what Meenakshi said.
Yeah,
We can change.
Yeah.
And to add to that, Debbie, you said
that-
your daughter
As a
came after
chartered
8 years.
accountant, I think its life is like a PNL account.
Ah.
Whatever good deeds you do, it's always credited. May not be adjusting your
It doesn't adjust.
your debits. It will not adjust your debits. Debits you have to run out,
Yes.
and the credits that you do will make your profits accumulated, and more
I
will
will-
be
I will-
credited to your capital account.
I will add here, Meenakshi, that the quality of your debits gets altered.
Ha.
Yes,
Or the
that can be.
Yes,
That can
or
be.
the way you clear the
Quality.
debit.
You
That
have to
gets
run out
altered.
your karma, but
Quantity-
you
the
won't feel the
quantity remains
pain. The suffering is reduced, the pain is reduced.
Yes.
The quantity of the debit stays, because
We
that
had
is something
such
that
a
is carrying
good
from the past.
discussion, a
The quality of
fantastic
the debit-
discussion today.
Wonderful discussion. Debbie, I had my child after 12 years. And
Yes,
you're still
I
earlier
know
than me because my child came after my 40th birthday. So that's it. Yes, Samir. You
soul
had to add.
contract. Sandhya ji, soul contract
Yes.
for you as well.
Sameer.
कर्म को इम्प्रूव करना है तो कर्म गुरुदेव को भी नमस्कार करना चाहिए, शनिदेव को याद करके. टुडे
Yes.
इज अ गुड डे टू स्टार्ट दैट प्रेयर विद हिम एंड इट विल
आप रविवार के दिन शनि भगवान का नाम लेते हो.
हर दिन कर्मा का है मैडम, हर दिन कर्मा का है, रविवार नहीं.
बट सैटरडे डिसाइड किसने
नहीं
किया?
तो
आज भी
बाद में
हर
थोड़ी
दिन
ना.
कर्म है, हर
like
मोमेंट
this.
कर्म है.
Exactly. Every day you need to celebrate. It is not
Yes,
just your
yes.
birthday. Similarly, it's good when you are offering prayer. It has to be done with good niti and good
Yes.
intention. It will get answer. Simple.
Yes,
It
yes,
doesn't
true,
matter which deed you
true.
are doing.
I think Pawan had raised his hand. CA Pawan. Yes,
मालू.
yes, Malu.
हाँ जी. सुन रहा था स्टार्टिंग से मैं कर्मा के बारे में प्लस डेस्टिनी के बारे में प्लस सरेंडर के बारे में. मारवाड़ी हूँ, बनिया हूँ, ठीक है. सुनिएगा पूरा. We have a certain way of life since beginning, starting से, कि आपको सुबह उठना है, थोड़ा पूजा पाठ करना है. पूजा पाठ में मारवाड़ी मांगते क्या है? धन
पैसा.
दो, समृद्धि दो, लक्ष्मी दो, ठीक है. तो ये क्या है? एक तरह का मैनिफेस्टेशन है. एंड सेकंड जो उसमें आती है चीज वो ये है कि सिर्फ मांग के रुकते नहीं है, मांग के उस काम पे लग जाते हैं जो हम करना चाह रहे हैं. तो दैट इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट कि कर्म जो है, जो उद्यम है अपना, उसकी तरफ अपन आगे जाएं with a surrender and belief that God is with me, the divine power is with me and he will help me.
क्या बात है, क्या बात है. Perfect.
Thank you.
True, 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 true. Wonderful, lovely discussion. I think it's more than 2 hours. Sunday hai, so I know each of us has our own commitments. If I don't know who is this person who's joined as iPhone. Who's that? Is there something that anybody wants to add? Yes, Shalini, would you like to add something? Else, we will call it a day. Kishorji, would you like to?
No, ma'am, it's okay. It's okay. Good, good,
Yes.
good discussion. We can close, not a problem.
Yes.
But we should
Thank you,
continue
everyone.
not very often, but whenever possible, we should continue.
Yes, lovely, lovely discussion. I
Yeah,
really,
yeah.
this is the best Sunday discussion that we have
Yes.
had. And good, matlab, argument nahi hua. It was a
Yes.
healthy
Yes.
discussion.
Yeah, healthy discussion, healthy discussion.
Yes.
पवन जी सबसे कम बोले पर बहुत अच्छा बोले. पवन की
बहुत
तरह
अच्छा
बहुत
बोले
अच्छा
उन्होंने, मतलब वो perfect बोलते हैं ना,
Yes. Yes.
perfect summation किया.
पूरा क्रक्स बता दिया उन्होंने कि
Yes,
this is
पवन
what
जी,
it's about.
beautiful. In simple words आपने बोला, but जो बोला बहुत. And Debbie, your heartfelt conversation, it was lovely.
You were really Devashri and also Dhurandhar also, both.
Yes, Devashri. I'm going to correct Devashri. Correct your name over there.
You're the
Devashri.
second person who's told me in this phase of life of mine that please, Devashri is such a beautiful name.
It
Just
is a
strike
beautiful
out
name.
Devi.
But
Trust
we are
me.
those people. We are those people who like yoga, not yoga. So
No,
it's up to
you know what?
That's a
Devashri,
good one. Kishorji.
understand your name has a significance. When you
Yes,
change
yes,
the name,
yes,
you will
yes.
change the energy around you.
Yes,
Okay.
तो
yes,
ये बात
Yeah,
ध्यान से सुनो.
ma'am, my name has God and Goddess Dev, and
Yes.
she
yes,
is
yes,
Goddess
yes.
Lakshmi.
So that is why I told you are Devashri also, Dhurandhar also today. So both were there today.
Yes. Sameer, wonderful. Thank you so much, Sameer, for all the discussion. Really loved your contribution. And I think with that, Kishorji, I think should we sum it up? Should we
Go ahead,
end it?
please. Thank you,
So
thank you, thank you very much.
which book are we doing next, madam? If I may ask.
I have put 5 books over there. नाम दो अपना review के लिए.
I have a long way to go. I
No,
stand
there's
up
nothing.
in
There's
front
no
of
long way to go.
all you stalwarts.
Just started. We are not
Ask
scholars.
your daughter to start book reviews.
Yes. She loves story reading,
Yes. So
storytelling.
she can also join one of the reviewers.
Yeah, my
Brilliant. Trust me, sir, she's brilliant. She's brilliant. At her age, she's brilliant.
chalo. I think I'll end the call here.
Yes,
So
thank you, ma'am.
enjoy whatever Sunday is left. All the very best.
And happy Women's Day to you, ma'am.
Same to you. Sameer, we will
Thank you.
definitely connect. Okay, after this call. Chalo. Bye bye.
Bye-bye. Good day.